Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, since the Australian dollar leapt to an intraday high of 68.05 earlier in the week, the bulls have struggled to uphold the move. Fresh updates on China looking to buy more agricultural products from the US and statements from President Trump noting a deal is close still fails to inspire the bullish traction to continue. And from a technical point, you can see here the midway point did hold, and also the MACD with the marriage is supporting further downside pressure. Along with that, we did take out the level of 67.60 overnight after posting a fresh low of 55. It is assessed that the market should progress further to the downside and look to the objective of 68.80.90, which is where we got this long-tailed dragonfly and also a bullish outside range day and another bullish outside range day from the contested downside challenge failing. Lower your stop losses according to your risk management, and also the fact is maybe take a little bit of profit from that region just in case we see a rebound. Combination of things overnight for the US dollar. For the fact is that it did rally off the support level of 97.40.60 and now looks back to the top side of the range, which in terms has pushed the euro lower, and now wondering where the bulls are due to the fact is that we are challenging this level of 109.35.50. We did see two rejections from here. First of all, from a dragonfly doji and a bullish outside range day that was negated by this doji as well. I am questioning to the fact with the marriage being bearish that we could be taking this level on very soon again at 109.35 and most probably see a break and look down towards the region of 108.65.70 and reassess from there. Resistance seen at 109.95. Well, with dollar yen rebounding just in front of the level of from 106.70 now gives some light to the fact we could see a slight change to the bearish calls, but looking for opportunity to shorten the market, and that is anywhere beyond 107.75 and up towards the region that was recently rejected, and no doubt the bears are lurking from 108.40.60. My overall view is the fact is if we do see a move up, then we will get a rejection and look back to this downside. Technically not supporting this candle. That the fact is that the RSI is still lagging as well as the MACD, so we may see the bulls take the exit rather quickly. To some disappointment, the bulls could not defend the level of 124.15 overnight, and from the break has now exposed the region that I've outlined here at 121.70.80 as a target. But the marriage also coming into play with the RSI and the MACD could put further stress on the downside and look towards the objective that I'm calling, as I say, at 121.70.80. Any advances should find a cap now at 124.25. Well, it would seem that the fact that gold has rejected this level around 1,535. As you can see here, I've outlined the fact that there is some concerning factors now to the gold pattern. And if you look very closely, is that we have a head and shoulders pattern. From the rally, we've got the shoulder here, which is where the spinning top candle is. Then we've got the head, the rejection from 1,554. And now we've got this rejection of 1,535 overnight that's given us the shoulder. I'm looking at this level as a base at 1,478 to 84. However, a break of this level gives me a measure move from the head to the neckline and from the break of the neck to a target around 1,420, which is pretty hard to assess and take in because of the fact of this geopolitical risks that are out in the world at the moment. Nevertheless, the pattern's there, so we do need to keep an eye. Wrapping up with oil, well, the gap has been filled after the overnight's decline of around 2%. struck the level of $55.60 after posting a low of 55. Now from the rebound, we've got a dragonfly doji. I do expect to see further confirmation, but we need a break above this candle that comes in around 57.40.60. Therefore, this would give further confirmation to the dragonfly and look back for a rally to $60 a barrel. But at present, the technicals aren't really coming through that way. And with the ADX also trending to a bear case, could see further stress on the support. So just be very careful if you're looking to buy oil. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.